Hi everyone, hi friends, I'm Jenny and today I'm making Marry Me Chicken. I have heard about Marry Me Chicken for years and years. Never tasted it, but always had an interest in finding out if it tastes good or not because everyone on social media makes it sound like it's the best thing ever, so wanted to give it a try. I am using chicken tenderloin. You can use, I guess, like whatever part of the chicken you want. I see people use thighs and breasts and all of that, but this is what I had already in the house. So that, yeah, do whatever you want. I'm gonna take this like tendon white stuff off a little bit. I'm gonna cube it and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Time to season the chicken. I'm gonna put in a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm trying to be much better with the amount of oil that I use. I hope that that's not too much. I hope that's plenty and also not too much. And then I'm gonna do a teaspoon of garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, rosemary, Creole season or Cajun seasoning, and salt, okay? Teaspoon of each. The recipe I saw actually used so much more seasoning, but I was like, you know, a teaspoon is plenty over here. Should I be like double dipping like this? Probably not, so we're not gonna do that anymore. Oh, sure, there we go. My Creole seasoning is on its last little bit here. We're gonna get all of it out. Some salt. Yeah, the recipes I saw, like people were using a lot more seasoning. So if you like more seasoning, you don't do that. Me? This was like, I had to modify because I felt like what I saw was just kind of too much for my tastes. All right, shake, shake, shake. Some rosemary in there. Shake, 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 shake. And now we stir. Okay. Moving on, I'm gonna go and cook this up. Remember, I'm afraid of the oil because if you look at other videos, I've used too much oil in the past. So I'm super conservative when it comes to my oil nowadays. All right, my chicken looks super yums. And let's go. Oh, you hear that sound? Oh, we're in business, people. Okay. Oh, update too, life update. I got some tongs, finally. I'm like, big time now, y'all. Big time. Look at me, tong, tong, tong. I don't know if I said, but the chicken it's about a pound of chicken, and I'm going to cook it for 15 minutes or so, 10 to 15 minutes until it is basically cooked. And I'm also, while it's cooking down, I'm gonna prep my veggies. I have one sweet Vidalia onion, sweet yellow onion, and then I didn't want this to waste this, so I'm just gonna use however much is left of this pepper. Okay, I'm saying the chicken's done. I cut a few pieces and I don't see any pink, so I take the chicken out now. Take the chicken out. I'm supposed to just add my veggies right here, but there's like, there's no oil left, so I am gonna put a splash of oil. Literally just a splash. See, splash. About a tablespoon of tomato paste, which I think is like that much. Yeah, what do we think? Is that a tablespoon? There we go. That's a tablespoon, sure. Now we cook this down, and then after we cook it down, we're gonna add some heavy cream, or half and half, whatever you want. I'm doing heavy whipping cream. Some more seasonings. I'll be back once it's cooked a little bit more. I'm gonna add a cup and a half of heavy whipping cream. 1, 2, this is a half a cup, that's why I'm counting like that. 3, okay, a cup and a half. Let me stir this up. Seasonings first, guys. Now I'm gonna do about a half tablespoon of paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, my Creole seasoning, and some salt again. Okay, I had to like prep myself. Where'd my cheese go? Oh, here it is. Oh my gosh. I was prepping and then like, look at me. Okay, it's at half of, oh, get out of here, chunks. This is like, probably shouldn't have chunks like this, right? Okay, I'm breaking you up. Party's over. black chicken. In you go. Yum. Okay, I'm gonna use the same plate when I do my taste test because it has like all of the good juices on it. And it's cooked chicken, so that's fine. We're okay. Oh, okay. Gosh, this looks like restaurant food. Stop. This looks like restaurant food. Look at me. I'm like Cheesecake Factory over here. I usually ruin, if you look at my other videos, you'll see that I ruin my, I ruin the recipe like towards the end by putting in way too much of something at the end. I'm not gonna do that this time. I'm really gonna only do about 3 cups. I'm not gonna put in like 8. Like one time I did so much. I don't know what was wrong with me. I just wasn't even thinking. Not this time though. I'm on top of it. Right on top of that, Rose. I am on top of it. Here we go. Boom. Boom, boom. And just have her wilt down. My pasta is behaving now and is almost done. I think you want the pasta, as they say, al dente. Okay, I don't know how much pasta water I got in there, but I'm sure it's fine. This is a whole lot of pasta, y'all. Probably didn't need this much. Oh God, see, didn't I tell you I always ruin things at the end? Like, look at all this daggone pasta. Okay, I think I was being dramatic. I don't think I ruined it, but I will say, do not use a whole box of pasta. This is just ridiculous, ladies and gentlemen. Friends, this is ridiculous. Like, I should have used maybe, I don't know, 3/4 of a box. This is insane. Because if I use less pasta, I'd have more sauce coverage. And I love sauce. I love the sauce, you know? I don't know why you do this, but they say add parsley at the end, so we'll put a little parsley flakes. Da, 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 da. Okay, here it is. It looks really good. And I know I just like said don't put a whole box of pasta in. I might take that back though because it looks delicious. Let's give it a taste. I'll be making this. This tastes like restaurant food, and that's a good thing to me. It's like somebody would be like, "Is this takeout?" Jenny, did you go to a restaurant and order this, and this is takeout? Marry me chicken. I understand it because you want to marry whoever made it. This is really yummy. Yummy. I'm gonna have leftovers for days. My husband will eat this though. My kid, no. Wow. The kid'll taste good with it. What a success.